Hi there, welcome once again. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to properly insert RAM stick in the RAM slot, which is located on the motherboard. Every RAM has a slot key notch, just look like this. As well as we can see a slot key on the RAM socket located on the motherboard. So guys, take the RAM and align the RAM slot key notch with the RAM socket slot key. Gently insert the RAM in the RAM socket and press very gently with the help of your thumbs. A click sound produced when the RAM insert properly in the RAM slot. It is done guys. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching.